guys, welcome back to my channel. The question is, why are side chicks winning over homes? So I will tell you the secrets and the things they use. My dear, you have to keep your home. Take note of these ingredients. The first thing you have to use is pineapple. Maybe you haven't seen pineapple, or maybe you don't know how beneficial and how nutritious this pineapple is. Pineapple is very great in keeping the body neat, sweet, and making your man to stick around. You just have to cut this pineapple into pieces. It's the first ingredient you need. So cut this pineapple into pieces. After you have cut it into pieces, remember to use ripe pineapple, not all those ones that have not ripe yet. So after you are done cutting it, then you have to get your blender and pour it inside the blender. That is the first ingredient. After you have poured inside the blender, then you have to go to the next ingredient, which is watermelon. Watermelon works exactly like pineapple in terms of sweetening the body and keeping the body fresh always. It helps to flush out the dirtiness of the body and the infection and everything. Pineapple and watermelon contain 98% of water in them and very, very nutritious. So you have to cut this watermelon into pieces like the way you did with pineapple. So you have to cut it into pieces. Remember to use very good and fresh watermelon. So once you have gotten the ones you need, cut any amount you want. Anyone that can be okay for you. So once you have gotten it, then you have to also pour this watermelon inside a blender like the way you did with pineapple. Pour it inside same blender with the pineapple. This is the first and second ingredients you are going to use. So once you have poured it, then you have to blend it. Blend these two ingredients together before making use of the third ingredient. Take note of the step and take note of the ingredients you're going to, because you're going to be drinking all those things every day before you do anything, and it will help you a lot. So you have to blend it. After you have done blending, then you have to pour it inside a glass before adding the next ingredients. So pour it inside a glass. We use to drink it. Once you have poured inside the glass, then you add 1 spoon of raw honey. Raw honey works effectively in making them to stick around, to come closer, to be with you, and those side chick won't be able to see him again. So you have to add 1 spoon of raw honey to the 2 ingredients we just blended. So after you stir very well, mix all very, very properly well, then drink it in the morning before anything, and in the night before doing anything. You understand? So that's how it works, and it will make you to taste good. Remember to drink it, and don't forget it if you are suffering from all those side chicks. So thanks for watching. Subscribe.